Want to create amazing AI videos like this and potentially get more views on YouTube? Let me show you a simple method you can try. First, open ChatGPT. Now, instead of asking ChatGPT to create an image, ask it to create a 10-second video prompt. For examples, paste this. ChatGPT will now create a detailed video prompt for you. Copy that prompt. Now, open Google Flow AI. Start a new video project and choose the text to video option. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. For this type of video, you don't need to create an image first. Just use the text prompt. Now select the video settings. If you're making YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels, choose 9 to 16. If you're creating a normal YouTube video, choose 16 to 9. Now click Generate. Wait a few moments and Flow AI will create your video directly from the prompt. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. If the movement looks good, download the clip. But here's the interesting part. You don't have to stop after creating one 10-second clip. You can use the same workflow to create more clips for a longer video. For example, create a new prompt for the second scene, generate another 10-second clip, and continue creating different scenes. In the next part, we will learn how to combine these clips and edit them in CapCut.